Welcome to Julie'sApron.com. Grab your apron and let's make this Greek salad with couscous. This Greek couscous salad has it all. It has creamy avocado with crunchy cucumber and bell pepper, dressed with a delicious olive oil and lemon juice dressing that keeps it simple and enhances the flavors already in these delicious vegetables. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cooked couscous, 2 ounces of sliced olives, about 2 tablespoons of feta cheese, 1 large avocado, 12 ounces of cherry tomatoes, half a bell pepper, and 1 cup of sliced cucumbers. To start, clean all your vegetables by washing and drying, then cut all your cherry tomatoes in half. Next, you'll cut a bell pepper in half, clean it and core it out, and dice it into small pieces. And now slice your cucumbers thinly. You should have about 1 cup of cucumbers when done slicing. In a large bowl, add all the ingredients you just cut up and add to it sliced olives and cooked couscous. Mix all the ingredients and then season with salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle with half a cup of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Mix the salad so the dressing will coat all the ingredients. Lastly, cut the avocado into cubes. Doing this at the end will keep the avocado intact and from turning into mush. Mix in the avocado gently and top with some feta cheese. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow along for more recipes.